Why isn't Growth Boost working for you? Well, I have two communities that I help manage, and it is the main source of traffic for us by a long mile, 63% of traffic. This community also has a YouTube channel that has almost 100K subscribers. And here our niche is extremely small because it's a CRM for school. So this much traffic is a lot for this very small niche. I mean, there's only 160,000 schools, right? So I just wanted to come on here and talk about why Growth Boost might not be working for you. And this answer is very simple. I feel like people are kind of waiting for something magical to happen. But the main thing is that Growth Boost will optimize for members or community owners who have good communities. Now, what is a good community? The efficiency score isn't out yet, which is a score that you place inside Skool, which will cover how good your community is for ads. So before that comes out, you want to look at a few major things. In my personal opinion, from what I've observed, retention is probably the thing that has the biggest weight. So if your community is new, that's perfectly fine, but retention is probably the biggest weight. After that, it's probably the banner. Now I know that might sound a little bit insane, but even if your banner is like very mid, if you have a banging community, because your banner is the one that gets, or cover photo is the one that gets advertised, if you have a banging community, there's no reason why they wouldn't advertise you. Even if your stuff sucks. Now, obviously you want to make it as good as possible, but I think I would rather take that bet. And then the way you want to think about it is just in three parts. So you have the cover photo, and this is the thing that gets advertised. Another thing you want to do is add your YouTube channel down here, which we actually need to do, or Instagram, because they pull from that to run ads for you. And then you want to make a good about page. Your free trial needs to convert, and then your retention needs to be good. The number one thing, I'm just going to run through all of these, is face your name of the community, and then I personally like having start for free trial, or like start for free. If you have that, it's good. And then some sort of subtext, so like some sort of promise at the bottom. That's it. Like, you don't need anything else. You can do cool backgrounds and stuff like that, add logos and stuff, but that's really like the main things. That's just brass tacks. For this page, the about page, you need a VSL. So just you get on camera, talk about it. Doesn't need to be scripted. Can just have a few points. You want to go why you're starting the community, your vision for the community, and your proof around the community, what you've done. So why you're qualified to teach the thing you are. Same thing in the copy. So promise, proof, and then what they get, urgency or scarcity, CTA. Really simple. So just walk through it, make your school easier to run while increasing your monthly revenue. So that's the promise, that's what they get. And then here's just a bunch of proof. So this person said this person said this, all notable names. And then a plan, and then some sort of scarcity / urgency, just really dig it in. And that's about it. And then for free trial conversion rate, the thing that's worked best for us is just onboarding calls. So getting on call with people helps a tremendous amount. And then for retention, also onboarding calls. So that can, you can hit both of those with just the onboarding calls. And also, I wouldn't name it onboarding calls. I would name it something specific to your community. So we call it setup calls because we're software, technically. And that's why your Growth Boost isn't working. Just make your stuff good and don't wait for school to spend money on you. Make your stuff good, be proactive. Subscribe for more stuff.